Welcome to the Concept Solutions CS2 video training course. This course will show you how to fill out and submit a timesheet on CSI. The intended audience is all Concept Solutions employees and contractors who are required to fill out a timesheet. This class is intended for those who have previously viewed New Employee 100 Introduction to CSI. After taking this course, you will be able to understand how and when to fill out your timesheet and submit them using CSI. During this course, we will discuss how to log in to CSI and display your timesheet. We will also discuss how to enter your hours, including time off and hours for multiple projects, and how to submit your timesheet. This will be followed by a review of possible errors when you save and how to locate your earlier saved and submitted timesheets. We will conclude with a summary of what was taught in this course.
The first thing you need to do is log into your CSI account. Once you are on the home page, locate and click on the Timesheet tab in the lower left-hand corner. The Timesheet Policies and Procedures page is displayed. Take a moment to read the policies and procedures, as this information will help you in filling out your timesheet accurately.
Click on the Enter Hours link in the upper left navigation pane. Ensure that the pay period drop-down is displaying the correct pay period. The pay period drop-down box is located in the Timesheet Controls section. If the week is incorrect, click on the drop-down arrow and select the correct pay period. Next, select the project that you are currently working on from the Project drop-down box located in the Time Entry section. After you choose your project, the drop-down box for tasks will become available if your project has tasks associated with it. Ask your manager which task you are currently on and select the correct one. Once your project and task have been selected, the fields directly under the project will become editable. Now you may enter the number of hours that you worked on that project and task. All hours must be recorded to one decimal place. When you are done, click the Save button on the top of the page. Hours must be entered daily, no later than 10 a.m. on the next business day. If you entered an incorrect value for one of the fields and need to change the value after you have saved the timesheet, place your cursor within the Data Entry field, click on the number, then click Unlock Field. The Reason dialog box is displayed. Enter a valid reason for your change. Note that the minimum number of characters you are required to enter is 15.
To enter time off, click the New Row button at the top of the page. A new row is displayed in the Time Entry section. In the Project drop-down box in the new row, select the Personal Time Off value from the options and enter the number of hours of your personal time off. If your manager has approved future time off, you may enter those hours too. CSI will automatically fill in the company holidays, so there is no need for you to fill those in. This same process of adding a new row can be used if you are working on multiple projects in the course of one pay period. After you've added the new row, select the appropriate charge code and enter the hours. Once finished, press the Save button. At the end of the workday on the last day of the pay period, you will need to submit your timesheet. Ensure that every box in the time entry section is filled out and has the correct value. Once you have done this, click the Submit button at the top of the page. If you have paid time off that corresponds with the end of the pay period, you may submit your timesheet early.
After you click the Submit button, there are two errors you may encounter. The first error message states that you do not have enough hours for the pay period. Your total hours must be equal to the number of hours in the pay period, assuming an 8-hour workday. If your hours do not add up, speak with your manager to resolve the issue. The next error message you may encounter is that you do not have enough PTO. If this is the case, cancel the entry, save your timesheet, and speak with the HR department to fix the problem. After you have submitted a timesheet, you may receive an email notification from CSI that your manager has rejected your timesheet. If this happens, there will be comments within the body of the email notification as to what is wrong. Fix the errors and resubmit your timesheet as soon as possible. If you find an error, you may reject the timesheet yourself, edit the problem, and resubmit it.
If you want to view timesheets that you have submitted in the past, click on the My Timesheets link on the left navigation pane. The My Timesheets page is displayed with a list of past timesheets that can be filtered by date range and status. Click on any timesheet to view details. Use the filters to narrow your search results. Remember to select the right status, for example, approved, or nothing will appear.
In this training, you have learned how to enter your hours on a timesheet, how to add a new row, enter PTO, modify a previously entered and saved data field, resolve error messages, review past timesheets, and submit your timesheet. Thank you for attending the New Employee 101, filling out and submitting a timesheet on CS2. Please provide feedback for the training by taking the anonymous course evaluation linked here. Please contact Aaron Crutcher with any questions. For more detailed information, you may refer to the timesheet section of the New Employee Handbook. We're looking forward to having you on another CS2 video training.